Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew ramen. First, focus on building a robust broth. You can use chicken, pork, or vegetable stock as your foundation, enhancing it with aromatics like ginger, garlic, and green onions. Remember, the broth is the heart of your ramen, so take your time to develop deep flavors. This initial step sets the stage for a truly satisfying and comforting meal. Next, let's talk about the core ingredients. Choose fresh or dried ramen noodles, ensuring they are cooked perfectly al dente. For protein, consider thinly sliced pork belly, chicken, or even tofu. Incorporate a variety of vegetables like mushrooms, carrots, and bok choy. Combine these with your prepared broth and simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to fully integrate into a delicious stew. Now for the exciting part, assembling your bowl. Cook your ramen noodles in a separate pot of boiling water, draining them well to prevent them from making your stew watery. Place the cooked noodles into a large bowl, then generously ladle the hot, flavorful stew over them. Finish with your favorite garnishes such as a soft-boiled egg, a sprinkle of chopped green onions, a dash of chili oil, or a sheet of nori for an authentic touch. Finally, don't be afraid to customize your stew ramen to your liking. Try adding a spoonful of miso paste for extra umami, or a splash of soy sauce for depth. You can also adjust the broth's thickness by simmering it longer for a richer consistency, or adding a bit more stock for a lighter feel. The possibilities are endless for making it uniquely yours. And for making meal prep a breeze, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals to help you in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.